What the heck is this? Y'all know we was doing stuff like this, did you? Oh, snap, boy. There it be. Time to get to work. Have a great day, y'all.
What's happening, guys? I got some very exciting news for you. You ready?
Check this out behind me. You see all those boxes? Any guesses on what they are? I got some very exciting news to release to you right now on something that has never been done before in car audio. Let me flip this around and I'll show you what we came up with. You're gonna love it. So you may be wondering, what is in all of these boxes? Do you have any guesses? So we have this size of box. Then we have all of these sizes of boxes. This is so crazy to me to see. I can't get over this. I never thought I would be doing some craziness like this. Look at that. But you're probably wondering, what is inside of there? I'm glad you're asking, because I'm going to show you. This is what is inside of those boxes. Down for Sound Profab preloaded enclosures. What subs are in here? I'm glad you asked that, because they are the most popular selling subwoofers from Sundown Audio ever in the history of Sundown. You probably guessed it, the Sundown SA series. These are the SA Classics, and they come in dual fours on the double sub setup. So this is in the Down for Sound Profab, the best prefabricated enclosures on the market. Very well built, very nice finish, tuned low, just like us true bass heads like them, love them. So 2 dual fours, they're wired to a 1 ohm load inside of the box. So all you have to do, you don't have to do any mounting, you don't have to do any wiring. All of it is mounted, ready to go. So all you have to do is hook up right here to your amplifier. I would suggest, so these are rated at 750 watts RMS each. I would suggest running a JP23 amplifier on here. It would be perfect. So that would be a great combo here. And also, normally this package, if you bought the subs and the box separately, it would run you $699. Us offering it to you in this package right here, we're going to be offering it for almost $100 off, or over $100 off, at $599. So that's almost 15% off, just because you're buying the Profab package here. So let me measure this out. Let me go ahead and measure. The tuning on this is 32 hertz. If you're going to ask that, you can read all the, let's see here. You can read all of the information about these on the website, but I'll go ahead and hit the measurements for you since we're doing this video. So measurements is 32.5 wide. On the depth, we are at, looks like 20 inches. And then on the height, we are at, looks like right at 15.5. So that's the measurements. That's the recommended wattage. And or you could use a Sundown SFB 2000 or Sundown SFB 3000, totally up to you, but a perfect match for them. If you want to run Down for Sound new amp, the JP23 would be perfect on these. Up next is the single SA12 preloaded enclosure we have right here. So on this one, we did a dual 2 ohm, so it's wired to a 1 ohm load here. The reason why we do this is because most of the amplifiers these days are rated and warranted, especially the ones that we sell, to do power at 1 ohm. So it's dual 2 wired to 1 ohm, so you will be ready to go single sub setup here. Normally this enclosure, this is Down for Sound Profab as well, tuned at 32 hertz. This would normally run you $420 or so. With us doing the combo discount for you, that's going to be $349 shipped to your door. So this is gonna be an awesome setup for you guys. Comes ready to go just like this. Super excited about this. These are, again, high quality enclosures. Teaming up with Sundown on these preloaded enclosures like this is awesome. Again, these are Sundown Audio's most popular selling sub, the SA series. They've probably sold, I would say, at least 100,000 of these subwoofers. I've sold personally probably 5,000 or 6,000 of them since I started selling them. So anyway, for this, you're probably going to ask what amplifier would I recommend for this one. I would recommend a Sundown SFB 1000 or SFB 1500. So I'll go ahead and measure the single setup. But again, this will all be in the description of the product on the website. You can check it out in the links below. 22.5 wide. On the depth, we have 17. And on the height, we have 14.5. So that's the measurements, that's the tuning, that's the power recommendations, that's the pricing. And these prices, the $349 and the $599, that includes shipping inside the continental US. So that's another added bonus there. Be on the lookout for more products coming from us from Down for Sound. Yeah, super excited about this, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Hit that thumbs up button on this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And what is that back there? Oof. You never know what we're going to be doing next. 2021 ain't ready for Down for Sound. We're going to be killing it. I appreciate y'all joining. Don't forget about the Down for Sound difference. Guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service. And we have 2 different types of same as cash financing on the website right here under the financing tab. No credit check, 100 days, same as cash. Be sure to check them out. See you in the next video. Later.